Tools used: TrueNAS, Nextcloud, and a Cloudflare. TrueNAS is an open source network attached storage operating system. Nextcloud. Nextcloud is an open source self-hosted cloud storage and collaboration platform which supports Android and iOS mobile applications. Cloudflare. Cloudflare tunnel securely expose the private network to a public without port forwarding. It creates a tunnel where we can access a private network through a tunnel securely. The requirements required for setting up a private cloud. First one, hardware requirement. Second one, deployment steps. Third one, cost analysis and implementation. In the hardware requirements, we need a write card. The write card is a card which has the program to avoid data redundancy. Our data will be not stored in a single drive. Our data will be stored across all the drives which are in the server. If any one of the hard disk is failed, the other hard disk is helped to recover the data from a failed hard disk. So there are 8 types of write technique used in the industries. Based on the business strategy, you have to choose your own write configuration and implement on a write card. So user one, with the help of domain name, access a Cloudflare tunnel which redirects the website to the private IP address of a server. So the anonymous access to the server will be rejected. Only through the domain we assign a Cloudflare can be accessed to the private server. So if we try to access the IP address of a Cloudflare, we cannot access the server because Cloudflare has a special feature like through the domain name only we can access the server. This is one of the main feature Cloudflare provides. So this is a dashboard of Cloudflare website. If you want to create a tunnel, so just go to Zero Trust. So after clicking Zero Trust, a new page will be redirected. So in the left nav bar, you choose the networks. Under the networks, you can see the tunnel. The tunnel, so create a tunnel. So I have already created a tunnel which I have here. So configure. So go to public hostname. So these are the subdomains I have created for different plugins in my server. Here you can see the IP address I have been marked. So for the storage, I have marked the IP address with the port number where the service is running. This is a port number which specifies the each service or each appliances. So with the port number, we will access the multiple applications. So here you can see that in the logs, I have used the port number 30015. So here for a firewall, I have used 3004. So we can use multiple port number for different application in a same private network. So under a same IP, I have used multiple application with the help of port numbers. So next, we will see about server dashboard. So this is a server dashboard. We will see after logging. After logging into your account, so this is a dashboard which shows uptime and current CPU usage. So my CPU is kind of old, i3 third gen, 3.2 GHz. So I have initialized 8 GB of RAM. So it's around 7.7 GB. So the current CPU usage can be monitored here. If you want to attach a storage drive into a server, first we want to create a storage pool. So here I have created a storage pool already. For testing purpose, I am using my 64 GB pen drive as a storage. Here 55.23 GB is allocated as storage. So in the virtualization, if you have a IN server, here you can create a virtual machine and run on your own server. So this processor does not support visualization. It is not supported. So in the apps part, here is the applications and the plugins are installed. So here you can see the multiple application I have used. The main application is Cloudflare. The Cloudflare is used to access the private network through a public network through a tunnel. And this is a Nextcloud service which provide storage management. So I have used a Glance open source application to monitor our system from a remote place. So the output of this I will be shown later. I have already configured my Cloudflare application. So we can see the configuration by clicking the edit button. So I have connected my private network to a Cloudflare with the help of tunnel token. So the tunnel token will be provided on a Cloudflare tunnel dashboard. So here on this tunnel, the Cloudflare token will be generated. The Cloudflare token will be entered on here, tunnel token, to see the uptime of a server or a resource used by the server in this application, open source glance application. With the help of this glances application, we can able to see the server status and the resources used by the applications. Just go back here. So here I have created a subdomain logs.morgandrive.me. So if we go to this website, so we can able to see the CPU usage and memory consumption, the load currently it's facing. You can see the rate of receive and transmission, so the disk input output and the file system currently being used. So the sensors means we can see the CPU temperature. So it has 2 core, so we can see each core temperature. So the uptime on a top right, we can see the uptime. Monitor the resource usage. So the next, you can see the storage configuration, how the storage works. So this is a storage URL. So if we click, the login page will be open. So it is secured. So we can add multiple users. So the users can able to change their passwords and log into their dedicated account. Each user will be allocated a different space or storage. They can use as many as they want. Now I will log in into my admin account. So I'm currently logged into my admin account. In the top left, you can see the files icon. So if you click there, the file dashboard will be open. So here you can able to upload the files or upload the folders. Here you can create a new folders to organize your directory, and you can create a file request. You can create a text file, etc. Your main advantage is this, like Google Drive, we can able to share a drive link. So for the certificate, I am creating a drive link. You can able to create public link. So if you press the create public link, the public link will be created. So here you can able to manage the access. You can keep like view only, can be edited, file request or custom permission. For example, I'm keeping file only. So the link has been ready. Link has been shown up. Copy symbol. So if we copy it, we can able to access this certificate folder with the help of this link. So for example, I'm creating an incognito tab. So if I paste that link here, you can able to see the folder, shared folder. We can able to access the shared folder with the help of this link. So here we can able to download the folder. So you can able to download the folder here. So here you can see that in the mobile application, I have installed this Nextcloud app. So in the Nextcloud app, we will get similar UI. So we can able to install the mobile application of this Nextcloud app, and the user interface of this application will be similar as Google Drive. So the same thing we can able to do here. We can able to upload a file or upload a file using a camera, or you can scan a document from a camera, and you can able to create a new folder, and you can able to create a new text document. The different user can able to log in their account here.